So what I will do, just kill it. There. Hello, today video we just would like to show how to
get rid of a cockroach
from the house and how to kill. We have one already here, like crawling. You can see here. That is a cockroach. And I'm sure in your house have a lot of cockroach as well. And this is disgusting insect or bug. And you don't want them into your house. But they are in your house. Like unwelcome guests.
Like they love to hide.
I do a little bit of research on the internet. There's lots of people talking about how to get rid of it. But we're looking in the way how to get rid not using a pesticide such as bay leaf, for example, mix with the sugar, boil it and like use spray, whatever. But today we're gonna try sugar
and baking soda.
We'll mix together. But this method we don't know it's work or not, but we're gonna try because we have cockroach there. I see it, but I keep it because I want to try it. And we saw one now is nearly dead, half dead. So we're gonna mix this ingredient today, okay?
And it's disgusting to see a live, half dead cockroach.
We'll try the one method first. We're gonna mix this one. Who wanna mix this?
Me, please,
okay.
Me.
As long as we use the same portion, like if you use 1 cup and 1 cup each.
This is baking soda.
Yeah, so put it together.
Then another pack of it. Like 1 whole cup?
Yeah, just put all. Now this is sugar. Cockroach like
Sugar!
They like to eat our leftover food like sugar, oil, fat around the house. They love it. So we're gonna use sugar as a dead food and then use baking soda
to make them die.
Ideally, they could bring their family and bring the sugar home, but they don't know because it's white and they thought it's mixed with the baking soda and they might kill all the family. This is the idea. But this approach or this method, it might invite ants, but we don't know. Let's try because ants love sugar as well. Maybe can kill ant, who knows? Let's try, let's find out. Gonna mix
what
it.
else will we do if it doesn't kill it?
We find other methods, so we have tons of methods.
Like cutting it in half, but it's still alive, you know.
So mix together like this.
Can I? Can I too? Yeah, sure. After me. Here.
Alright. Now we're gonna cut apple.
Why are we cutting apple?
Because we're gonna sprinkle the one that we mix on the top here, and then we leave there. Just let them eat because apple might another way to attract them. Because we do like that. And you also like you can sprint on the area where the cockroach travel with.
I'm gonna put it in. Yeah. And you can see their poop. So we are gonna leave it right here so that it eats it and it dies. Yeah.
This is the apple that we put, and obviously not great idea because it's gonna leave juice there and make it dirty. I think I cannot prove yet whether it work or not because I haven't seen that the cockroach is gonna eat it and then will die later on. That is the idea because it's baking soda kill it. In my thought, if you mix with sugar and baking soda together and the taste will change, right? You will know instantly that not good. Will the cockroach eat that? I don't think this method will work well. That is my personal opinion though. This is the worst cockroach area. Yesterday I did spray it by vinegar and we also sprinkle all the baking soda and sugar, which is already I will open to show you. Normally it's hiding in this area. You can see the cockroach poop over there. So basically you still have cockroach. Here we go. You can see it, right? There it's hiding in there. Here is a cockroach. Although I spray by white vinegar and mix with other mixer with onion, garlic, and on that area, like all other YouTuber guru did mention.
You have cockroaches in your house, you don't know how to get them out, you've tried everything. Watch this video. I have 2 ingredients that you already have in your house that's gonna kill them instantly. All you need is some sugar and some baking soda.
Obviously, it didn't work, I think, because I still can see that cockroach. So, I'm gonna catch it faster. Go. There. Let's see. You. So what I will do, just kill it. There. Although I take all apart head and body, you can see it's still a wiggle. How strong it is. Like imagine no way the white vinegar and others thing gonna kill it because it's so strong. This creature, like these bugs. I'm gonna wash my hand after this.